Diba kanina, pumasok na tayo. Pero may mag-o-audit kasi dito, check yung aircraft natin. Eh, naiwan ko yung vest natin sa bahay. Now, ang sabi ni sir, uwi daw ako pag wala akong vest. So, hindi ako umuwi. Lumabas lang tayo, hinintay natin yung kaklase natin na pumasok, and pinadala natin yung vest natin. Kung kailan din na nakadating na tayo dito, tapos na yung inspection. So, great.
묻어져가는 우리 사이 왜 눈치 못했을까 내 시선은 너 하나뿐이었지 단 한 번도 I never thought you wanna leave me for another Thought it was all make-believe 아직 몰라.
Update mga babies, kakatapos na natin mag-release ng aircraft and sinubukan natin tumulog dito kanina. Which obviously didn't work. Ikot-ikot lang tayo, naghanap ng maayos na pwesto, pero walang maayos sa pwesto. By the way, nakipag-deal sa amin si sir. 2 tao lang. Pag pumasok daw ng 5:05 AM, mag-half day bukas. And hindi na ako maasa magpa-participate ako dun kasi tulog pa ako na ganyang oras. Kaya bahala na sila kung sino yung gusto. Okay, ito lang yun. Ganito lang ulit. Papakita ko muna sa iyo kung gumagana yung magnet. Ay, gago! Iba-iba? Oo. Gagana niya naman. Yeah! Don't wanna keep playing this game. But gotta stop before it is too late. It's too late. I know I'm not okay. I feel myself. Let's pretend this isn't my life. Let's pretend it was a great night. Let's pretend that it was real nice. Let's pretend that it's a movie. Let's pretend that it's a story. Let's pretend that it was glorious. Cause that's where I do